Hey, how to crack this interview, man? I'm not able to do it. I'm so anxious regarding this. I should get this job. There's a lot of dependencies on me.
Hello, this is Santosh Nimani. I'm an proud introvert career mentor. I used to be an introvert who used to hide behind shadows, but I understood the superpowers of introversion and achieved success personally and professionally. So many years back, I have attended my first interview. At that moment, as an introvert, it's very tough for me to face because going over there to unknown person, and basically even though it's a closed cubicle, but still it's very tough for me and it's a energy consuming process. So I have followed few things at that moment which actually made me to crack my first interview. I still will not forget that because that is my first interview. Still I cracked it because I have followed three important things before going towards that interview. So let us go and understand what these three important things are being an introvert. Even there are some common points as well in these three. If you are anyone, it can be extrovert or introvert, but in specific, these points may be relating to introverts. The first is about practice speaking out loud. I used to speak with a very low frequency and very low voice at that moment because I used to have a fear of expressing. So almost I have worked hard for 3 months to attend that interview. I still remember the days where I used to work night at least 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. I used to practice again and again the same questions, almost all similar kind of questions. I used to call my friends and I used to tell them, I used to practice with them lot many times. So this is how I started. So I started practicing it, but with a loud voice. Then because of which, after three months of hard work, after going over there, I still remember that instant. I started talking in the interview. Immediately, my interviewer asked me, "Can you please lower your voice because it's a closed room, so it is resounding." So which made me realize that okay, fine. So I have practiced a lot. Now I am speaking with a lot of confidence, and the sound is been we got a resound over there. So he told me, "Can you please lower my voice?" Then okay, fine. Then I felt okay, fine. I am going in a correct pace. So practice once again and again to louder your voice. This is the first thing. Second, know your strengths. So being an introvert, you may believe, what is my strength? I will not talk to anyone, or there are a lot of things about introvert, right? So think about what exactly you have done in your career or in your student life or anything. For me, it is about analytical. I am so analytical and I do creative things. So because of which, that is my strength. I told that same thing. And even apart from that, I cannot be a good team player, but in being in a small team, I can do better. So that is one of my strength at that moment. So I told the same. So in that way, sit for a day and write down what exactly are your strengths. Definitely, as a human being, you will be having some strengths. Even as an introvert, you will be also having some strengths. Note it down so that it will be easy for you to identify, and even you can present them before the interviewers. The last, this is very important, is about having some me time before the interview. Being an introvert, it's not easy to face people. So even I still remember in my first interview, I have experienced this. Before the interview, almost it's been a half an hour I reached before to that place, and I sit with a calm mind. Obviously, there are a lot of thoughts running in my mind, but still I didn't talk to anyone. I just sat like that. One of my junior, he's a volunteer over there, he came to me and asked me, like, "Sir, are you feeling okay? You want water and all?" Because by seeing me alone over there, he felt something went wrong. but I am taking my time to recharge and to make myself ready. Right? I am telling myself that I have these affirmations. So anyhow, I want to tell an additional tip right now, that is about affirmations. Use affirmations before the interview. This is very important because it makes your mind, right? So these are the important things which you should remember to crack an interview. If you have this, if these points are there in your notebook right now, or if you are prepared with this, definitely you can crack an interview for sure. Being an interviewer as well, I have interviewed hundreds of people. I have seen people who actually fake it, like I'm a good team player, even though I can see he cannot even speak properly and he is not confident to present himself. He tell that I'm a good team player, I'm a good leader and all. So always take your strengths and work on it and use your strengths being an introvert. There are a lot of strengths that can be listening, it can be about analytical or being creative or being focused, whatever. There are a lot of strengths. So focus on them. You will definitely crack your interview. With that, thank you so much. If you love this video, do share this with someone and hit a bell icon to get notified. If you are the one who is proud about introversion, there is a tribe, there is an exclusive tribe or a community in Facebook which is Proud Introverts. Definitely, you will love it in that, being in that community. Check out the link in the description where you can join, or you can just type for Proud Introverts in Facebook and you will find out. Thank you. Have a nice day.